Hello. It's been a month. I probably am a stranger to you now, but I am here. And I am having this video in a different room. As you can see, I have a webcam now. And I'm also in the computer room. We'll quick tour. There's a window. And there's a bed and a lamp. And there's some fish. And here's the computer, and look. That's so cool. Anyway, just had quesadillas for dinner. Jeez, what the heck's going on? Just give me a second. Okay. Anyways, I had quesadillas for dinner, and I'm going to Walmart with my mumsy, in a little bit. And just want to capture on a little bit of things. I've been watching some videos, but that's not the point. School's been going good. Nothing really exciting going on there. There's no cute boys cute boys in the school. There like is 2, 3, 4 boys. One of them liked me, but I'm totally avoiding him because he's kind of scaring me. He's weird. He told me he was going to feed me grapes, and I'm like, okay, that's too much information right there. So, no. And homecoming, excited. It'll be me and my friends, the little group. Me, Jilly, Kelly, Cheyenne, Savannah, Abby, who else? Janelle, their dates, which is Austin and Rashad, and Karen and her date, which I forgot his name. I think it's like Travis. And I don't have a date. Me and Julie don't have a date. But that's okay. My teeth look really white. My skin is like burnt looking. So, I'll look this way. Nothing too much going on here. Just thought I'd say that I'm alive and I'm not dead or shot like this guy in Cortland got shot yesterday or today. I don't know, but there's this house that has the stuff around it. There's like policemen out there when they stopped up. They stopped to let the people off at the bus stop today. And I was like, what's going on? So yeah, 16-year-old got shot yesterday, sometime. That's really scary. I'm scared to go outside now because there's like people out there trying to kill me, but no. And one last thing, if I can remember, I'm not going to edit this because I don't want to. I don't remember, but if I do, I'll make a new video and I'll put that on there. But anyways, I'm here and I'm okay, so. Oh yeah, I remember now. So I was walking the track with my friend Cheyenne, and we're talking about like she should just wear like jeans and like a t-shirt to homecoming, like a nasty t-shirt, like she should put like Phil over it. And I like meant to say t-shirt or tank top, but I said tank shirt. So she started laughing at me. If there is such a thing as a tank shirt, it could be. You never know. That was looking really big. Big lips. So yeah, anyways, this is me, and I'm not a ghost or anything, so if you don't believe me, I can't go through my skin and stuff, so bye.